So guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As we always advise you, following Nyando Poultry Farm on both TikTok as Nyando Poultry Farm and on YouTube as Nyando Poultry Farm Bungoma. We are here to make sure that at least in your poultry journey, you succeed with us. We are here, we've been offering services of number 1, constructing poultry houses. Number 2, we've been supplying eggs. Then number 3, we've been also supplying the chicks all the way from day 1, improved kienyeji, to at least maturity. Also, we are having the commercial layers that you are ordering with us, and we've always made sure that you get at the right time. So here, the reason why I'm shooting this video is that there is a client who always has been liaising with us, requesting for hatching services. We went ahead with him until we advised on the incubators to be used, incubators that normally give good hatchability. In this business, if you want to succeed, you must first of all deal with the experts. So here, I'm in Busia County, and as you can see, we've just reached a client site. As you can see, we've delivered the 2,000 fertilized eggs inside. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of arranging those eggs, how you are supposed to put in the setter trays, and how you are also going to put them in the incubators. Remember, I'm going to show you steps on how you are going to set your incubators for you to have a good hatch. And before even we continue to where we're supposed to go, I've received so many calls and so many questions about poultry housing. As you can see this structure here, this just illustrates a good poultry house. As you can see, as I always advise, I normally tell you that if you are constructing a poultry house, you must make sure that you are leaving the ventilation that is helping in your poultry house. This importance of ventilation normally helps you to avoid ammonia buildup in your poultry house. You see, if your poultry coop is built up with ammonia gas, then it means the rate of respiratory infection will be very higher, and you might experience mortalities in your brooders. So here, as you can see, this part here from the ground up to this one here is about 3 feet, and that is the place whereby we normally leave this house so that to avoid predators and cold from entering the house. Then the rest of the part there, you can see it's the hole of ventilation, so that one normally helps for exchange of air in and out. So guys, let's go to the major business. As you can see here, we've already reached with the eggs. As you can see, they are now being arranged in the crates. Those are the setter trays. So just move closer here. As you can see, this one is what we're calling a setter tray. This one holds up to 88 eggs, this one. And you realize that for a 1056 egg incubator, it normally holds 12 crates. 12, if you do 12 times 88, you realize that that one will become 1056. So the way you are supposed to arrange these eggs from the normal crates to the setter tray, this is the procedure. You are supposed to take the egg, have the egg the same way it's from the crate. Of course, if I'm bringing to you, I've already placed in this crate the way you are supposed to put on your setter tray. So number 1, you must make sure that the sharp pointed part faces down, as the blunt side faces upward. The reason for that is normally the embryo starts developing from the upper region, that is the blind region. So when I say that, there is an air space up here. So in case you are putting the egg the other way around, it means it's very possible for the embryo to fail, and so you start experiencing low hatchability. So guys, as you can see here, they're just arranging the eggs. I know after arranging, let's have a sight of where the incubators are. Then from there, now we're coming back to see how they have arranged. So I strictly want to take you to where the incubators are so that you may have a look at them. We are also going to at least discuss some 1 or 2 things about incubation. So guys, let's move together so that we see what is on the other side. So here, let us continue from where I stopped. So the previous incubators that our client was using are these ones. And remember, these were analog incubators. They don't turn automatic. They were turning manual. So it was forcing a client to be waking up after every 2 hours, waking up and turning on these incubators. So as you can see inside, these machines here, they are not automatic. So you can just show the inside of the machine, how it looks like. You can see it was very much automatic. So in turning this one, you had to come and turn the machine automatic. But what we are having right now, we are having the fully automatic machines. So guys, let us move to where the brand machines are so that we may see what is going to happen there. So now here, this is our where the client is going to be hatching the eggs from. As you can see, these are 2 1056 eggs, as you can see. So here, I just want to show you how the machine looks like. The inside of the machine is this way. So as I told you, this one holds 1056 egg capacity. So here we normally arrange the setter trays that I was showing you. And during the hatching, now what normally happens, we normally take these trays, we put them in the machine as this way. So we are going just to arrange to do a demonstration. So that is how the machine will look like at day 18. So guys, in case you wanted to start poultry farming and you're wondering where to get the incubators, where to get the fertilized eggs, where to get the chicken, you can always contact us. The number is on the screen. So you can also look at the second machine here. So the full machine that is fully set, this is how it will look like. Remember, we are giving out a hatcher basket and a setter tray. So this is the setter tray and this is the hatching basket. So day 18, we normally move the eggs from this tray to now this hatching basket. The reason as to why we are doing that is because number one, during the day 18, we don't need turning of the incubator. So we are going to do away with the turning on the settings. Then we are going now to move the eggs from this setter tray to the hatching basket so that chicks can just come out easily. So guys, for me, I normally help farmers have and lead a successful poultry farm. In case you've not followed us, just follow us on YouTube as Nyando Poultry Bungoma. Follow us on TikTok as Nyando Poultry Bungoma. We are also going to make sure that we supply you and we move with you right away you start up to the time you're going to the market. So guys, let's meet in our next video as we continue learning.